Alright, so this is a YouTube video for garage door panel repair. What happened was this part of the garage door or panel tore. If you see it right there. Leaving my garage door when open fully to sag or bow. When that happens, the garage, when you try to close it, it'll just pop. Essentially, if that keeps happening, other major damage would happen. So I decided to do some research on YouTube, as well as on Google, to see what kind of repairs I can do. Most of them require to do one of these right here. These are called garage door struts. It's a beam, aluminum beam that goes all the way across the top. And some of them, they would have them on the bottom. I don't. Just one on top. Essentially, this is probably a cheaper garage door system. You know, when you buy new homes, this is what it comes with, I guess. This garage door is essentially about 10 years old almost. So I decided to look up where can I buy garage door struts, and you can't buy them except for DIYGarageRepair.com. They sell those garage door struts for about $49 right now on sale. Original price is $89. They're only open Monday through Friday, and since today's a Saturday, and that wouldn't work. I tried calling garage door installers and dealers. They do carry those, but they won't sell it to the general public. And if you want them installed, it's about $100 a beam. So that wasn't going to happen. So I decided to go to Home Depot and try to find the closest thing to a garage door strut. And this is what I found right here. They come in 10-foot sections, and they are called Expanded Plaster Corner Bead. Expanded Plaster Corner Bead. Got it at Home Depot, $7.55 each. The closest thing to what a garage strut would look like. Again, 10-foot sections. Garage door is 16. So I decided to buy 4. But in the process, I decided to, you know what, let me just cut half, so 8. Put on one side of the word the problem was, and it held. I don't need to do the other side. And if I'm going to return these, but if I ever need to do the other side, hey, I'll just go back. It took me less than an hour to do, cut it to 8-foot sections, and do the whole door at $7.55 rather than $100 through a dealer, or $49 each through that website, DIYGarageRepair.com. 2 screws each on each beam held. The expanded plastic corner bead holds. It doesn't bend, which I was looking for. I was looking at, angle irons and all that. Way too expensive, about $24 for even like a 5-foot, 6-foot. That wasn't going to happen. So these are aluminum. They're a lot lighter, a lot smaller, and they don't bend. That's essentially what you want. It's just you want this thing to hold the panels or hold it or keep it true and straight. So let me open up the garage. My garage did get quieter. Actually, even before this thing happened, it was kind of loud, but just by doing that, just made everything a lot more quieter. Again, I only did it on one section. Way cheaper to do it this way. They don't look that bad either. I mean, it kind of looks like part of the garage, but whatever, I don't really care. But it holds. I didn't have to spend thousands on the door. I didn't have to spend hundreds from a dealer. If not that, hundreds of, and doing it myself by buying the actual garage door strut. Who knows how long this will hold. This has been on for a couple hours already, testing the garage door up and down. So far, you know, it's holding. It doesn't sag, doesn't bow. It's pretty straight.